How you guys doing? Nevin back again. This time I'm driving the Ram. I already recorded a couple videos, but I didn't like the way they turned out, so just gonna do her again. Is that back? Yeah, okay. So I did, however, do some exhaust clips on the GoPro. So I don't know when this will be up. I kind of want to integrate the clips from the exhaust in with this video. My dad will have to help me with that. And I gotta wait because there's a garbage truck, so I'm just gonna drive around and wait for it, I guess. It's gonna take a little more. It's gonna take a hot minute. Dang garbage truck getting in the way of my YouTube video. How dare you? No, I've gotten a couple crazy looks from people, me recording stuff. Why is that teenage boy talking to himself? Well, listen, lady, I'm recording a video. I'm not full crazy. I gotta find a way to get through here. I'm just gonna give her in the reverse and just... skirt. Oh, and yeah, another thing I'd like to talk about is my dad and Papa programmed a route to an airport because they are leaving tomorrow. So my grandma said I'm allowed to drive her truck for a video. You gotta ask permission, you can't just do it. You gotta respect your elders and your family. So she's blessed me with driving her truck for today before they leave. So if you hear a woman talking, it's because... Holy crap. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but I just realized this. You see the water on the map? It's moving. That's gnarly. It's pretty friggin' sweet. Anyway. Still waiting for the garbage truck to go by. I don't even remember what I was saying. My ADD kicked in. I don't actually have ADD. I just say that. So if you get offended, I'm sorry. That garbage truck's loud. There we go. Get out of my way. So yeah, oh yeah, you're gonna hear a lady talking.
Take the next right onto Century Drive.
There she is, always interrupting me. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. It's the nav being programmed. There's the programmed nav to get my grandma and Papa to the airport because they leave tomorrow. So basically, this truck is very comfortable. Nice plush leather seats.
Take the next right onto Eagle Drive.
Shh. You sit very high up, given it is a full-size truck. Like the ride quality is very good.
Recalculation.
The ride quality is very good. As I was saying, you don't have to worry about ground clearance, that's for sure. My truck, you do. Kind of small, low to the ground. Oh, you can go left.
Route recalculation.
Better slow down a bit. Don't want to get called in. I'm not speeding, but 20 and a 15 miles per hour, because in Florida, that's a big deal to these seniors. Meanwhile, they're ripping like 16 and a 15 on their golf carts, not giving a care. This truck is very wide. I've noticed driving down this, like I can't be close to the side of the road. I gotta be in the middle because it's so wide. The tow mirrors are down. Like they're like this. They're not up. And it's just so wide. Like, I'm scared. I don't know how my grandma drives this. I'm scared every time when a car or golf cart in the oncoming lane comes by me. So, this isn't my truck, so that's probably the only reason why I'm kind of worried. It's not mine. So I gotta be very careful. Drive it appropriately. That lady just gave me the death stare. I probably know why. She sees a phone on a tripod, teenage boy, a troublemaker, talking to no one but his phone, with shiny glasses on. Listen, lady, they're pit vipers. They're not just a dime a dozen. They're cool. If you don't like them, sorry, that was a big puddle. We had a lot of rain. If you don't like them, that's your problem. Like, I enjoy them. I think they look quite good. Pit Viper. Sponsor. I'm just trying to show you how cool they are. Sponsor 417 Auto. I have 3 pairs of them, and I bought my mom a pair. Forney doesn't have any, but he likes to wear mine sometimes. So in a couple videos we make, you'll see him wearing a pair of mine. I got 3. I can share. My girlfriend's actually bought me 2 pairs. I bought myself one. I bought my mom one. So really, it's my girlfriend that's gotten them for me. But I showed interest and she got them for me, and I appreciate her for getting them for me because they're pretty sick. Anyway.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Century Drive.
Shut up. I've had enough. Well, this is just going to be a nice short and sweet video. Me driving around. Me not worrying too much about anything.
Take the next right.
Except this lady interrupting me in my video. But enough of it. I'm going to name her Charlene. Charlene, you're annoying. You're upsetting me. You're disturbing the peace. I'm gonna write you up. The turning radius is pretty good on
Route
this.
Recalculation.
Excuse me. Shut up, Charlene. Turning radius is very good. $13 miles an hour. 15 miles an hour. I'm going the speed limit. I'm going the speed limit. Stop tailgating me, golf cart. Go around like I'm a vehicle. Meanie face. Anyway, I'm gonna come back around to my home in Florida. And then I'll edit this video and post it up. Hope you guys enjoyed my little rant / driving around video. One sec. This guy won't move.
Route recalculation.
Anyway, as I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this little drive around rant video, I guess. And this lady keeps, Charlene, didn't your mother teach you manners? Clearly not. Anyway, thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you later. even wet. That's perfect, see?